Hey, are you looking to get some high quality traffic to your offer and you want to know exactly where to get high quality traffic and be able to build and grow your business? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over where to get high quality people on Udimi Solo Ads, where to find them, and actually a resource that you can use to get very high quality targeted traffic that not everybody knows about, but you can get very high quality people and make a lot of sales, right? So let's get into it. And in this video, first when you came to this page, this is going to be your login page, right? And then you can go to either solo deals or buy solo ads. But solo deals is basically the new people that are just coming online that are selling traffic, and they have deals that you can get cheap traffic, but they don't have any reviews, right? So you're kind of taking a risk when you go in here and you use the solo deals function, right? But if you go to buy solos, they have reviews right here. So there's a lot of high quality people who have traffic right here, and you want to make sure that this is 50% sales. That's the only thing you really need to focus on, right? And then you look at people's reviews right here, so you see how many reviews they have. You see the amount of sales right here, so the sales percentage, and then the cost is right here. So that's pretty much how you look at people. And then pretty much everybody on this first page uh, are the ones that are your highest quality people. And you want to take a look and you want to be able to switch it up and get different people. And you don't want to use the same people all the time because you want to get a mix of different traffic. So pretty much it's this first page of people that you can select from, and it's very simple because you want to make sure they have sales, they have good reviews, and then they have um, a good price, right? A good price that matches what you need. What you don't want to do is you don't want to be spending more money on traffic than you're making, right? So your offer also has to be very good, because if you are spending money on traffic, you want to make sure that you're able to actually make money from it, and you're not just making small commissions, because it doesn't make sense to go and buy traffic and you not be getting the results to be able to make more money than the traffic purchase that you're spending money on, right? So when I first got started in marketing, um, I just seen a bunch of videos of people telling me to just run a bunch of traffic to a funnel. Now, if you just run a bunch of traffic to a funnel, you're not going to get very good results. And it's really important to know your stats, know how to track, know what pages convert very well, and all that stuff, right? So if you're just running traffic to a funnel and you're not tracking any of that stuff, and you don't know what kind of funnels to use, you don't know which ones convert very well, you're going to have a very hard time to be able to make money. So that's why I suggest coming over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Now, why should you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com? Because we actually help you with your offer. We help you to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and we make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent and that you're getting very high quality traffic to your funnel. We want to make sure that your funnel is converting, right? And make sure that you're getting high quality traffic to it, right? So there's no point in having a funnel that doesn't convert, or that you're spending hours and hours trying to make a funnel work and it's just not working for you, right? So that's where we come in at, right? And I learned the hard way because when I first got started about 10 years ago, I didn't have a mentor. The guy that I signed up with, he ended up going to a whole different opportunity. I got one phone call from him and I never heard from him after that. And then he ended up leaving the opportunity, going to something else. I already invested the money into the opportunity. So I spent like $1,200 to get into this opportunity. Then he left and he jumped ship. So I was kind of left to figure things out on my own. And so I went back on YouTube And then I came across a video like you're watching now, and a lot of people are just telling me to run a bunch of traffic to a funnel and I'll make a bunch of sales. So at the time, I was working in fast food. At night, I was going to college during the day, and I didn't have tons of money. So I ended up putting my traffic packages on a credit card, right? And it landed me, um, $87,000 in debt, right? And so when I talk about my story, that's what happened to me. That's how I actually got into learning about traffic, because after I got into debt, I'm like, what do I have to do now? And I needed to get a mentor. I needed to get somebody to show me how to do traffic. Then I started my traffic store after I started to learn the skills and get some results, right? So that's how I started to sell traffic. It wasn't originally to sell traffic, it was actually for myself, but I started to learn the skills, and I figured if I was going through these same challenges, there had to be other people that are going through the same things as well. So I started my traffic store, right? And where you get traffic from when you order from me is you get from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're going to get mix of different traffic from those different sites, right? So, that's what you need to know when you get traffic from me. And also, I help you to manage your funnel and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages. Some of my clients convert up to 85% opt-in rate with sales. Basically, you are um, if you work with me getting traffic, you're going to get feedback, you're going to get an optimized funnel, you're going to be able to know exactly where your leads are coming from, you're going to be able to know that stuff. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because that's very important to know where they're coming from and to know how to track them, because I didn't get that help when I started. And then most importantly, you want to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you had to offer. So it's very important to know who's engaged and who's not, right? Because if you're sending to people that aren't opening your emails, then it's hurting your domain reputation. And if it hurts your domain reputation, then your emails are going to land in the spam box. So it doesn't matter how much traffic you buy. If your emails are landing in the spam box, nobody's seeing them, right? So step one, I suggest you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. You could pick the one that works best for you. Step two is we do a campaign review, and I give you feedback, and I give you a daily action plan of how you can get results. Then you can go and you can use that for your marketing and be able to really get better results with your traffic, and know how to follow up with them, because that's very important as well, right? You don't want to send out a bunch of autoresponder messages, a bunch of swipes. I don't suggest you do that. You'll end up hurting um, yourself when you're doing paid traffic if you're just using swipes. Don't use swipes. I show you how to actually um, have high quality emails, and that tell a little bit about your story, which is important, right? Step three is we launch your campaign within 72 hours. If we have the call, then your campaign will be launched. After that, here's some of my results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales. Here's some other ones right here, so you can take a look at these for yourself. And then here's the 90% tier one traffic. Here's the 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. I'm never going to tell anybody what traffic package to pick, but you want to have a good amount of traffic coming to your funnel. Just think about it. If you have a 50% opt-in rate, let's say you get 500 clicks, you have 250 people that are coming to your funnel. Now, if you get 500 clicks or above, I'm doing a special where I give extra traffic on those orders, 500 clicks or above, right? So, here's some of the questions that people ask right here. So, check down here to see if your questions down here. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And, that's what I guarantee to you. And then, right here is, you can ask your questions down here, and I will return your message, right? It goes to my support inbox, So if you have any questions, you can leave them down here, or you could write me on Facebook, or write me a comment under this video. I will answer my comments, and I will get back to you. So if you have any questions, you can leave them down there, or write them below this video, or write me on Facebook. Either way works. I am Facebook verified, so if you go to my Facebook page, you'll be able to talk to me. And make sure you send me your friend request and write me a message, because I do check them. I do communicate with people on Facebook a lot. Also, you can get into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. So you could get into that Facebook group for free by clicking on the link below this video. Also, you want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. So you want to stay up to date anytime I have new content. You will get a notification, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get to the traffic store, there's going to be a link below this video as well. And right below this video, the first link, I'm actually showing people how I build and grow my business online. It's the first link in this video, and there's a phone number. If you want to text me, you can text me. It is my number. I will respond to you. I left it there so that way anybody who has any questions can contact me that way if they need to text. So feel free to reach out. I want to be able to help you and support you, and be able to help you to grow in your journey. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.